Today I'm in Joshua Tree National Park and I was hoping to see some wildflowers because this spring is the perfect time to come to the desert and see super cool desert wildflowers. That's what this video is all about. Alright, so 2 tips when it comes to wildflower photos. So, if you want that creamy background and you want just the flower in the front and you know that just awesome creamy like bokeh, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to keep your f-stop low. 2.8 is a lot of lenses, or if you can go lower, even better. Now, the other thing is if you want to get that big landscape shot with the flowers in the foreground, what you want to do is you want to get down to the flower level and get up close and personal with them. And so keep them in the foreground, and then you want to focus on the mountains in the background, and then that way you're going to get that really cool shot. Keep your f-stop about f11. Play with it a little bit, but that's just rule of thumb. Start there and then try things out. Alright guys, that was it for tonight. I'm going to be back here tomorrow just kind of adventuring around Joshua Tree. That's going to be a different video though. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To recap, when you are shooting wildflowers, so if you want that close-up with that beautiful bokeh background, that creamy background with the wildflower right in the front, what you want to do is keep your f low. So 2.8 is great. If you can go a little bit lower, that's even better depending on your lens. Now, if you want to have that big landscape shot with the wildflowers in the foreground, what you want to do is you want to get really low, get to the wildflower level. Bend down, move your body, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to focus on the landscape. So focus on the background, focus on the mountains, and keep your f around f11 or so. Play with it a little bit. I typically like f8 or f11. That's like my sweet spot. But yeah, and then you can get that cool wildflower in the foreground, cool desert mountains in the background. Awesome. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you